Hello, foodies and kitchen enthusiasts. Welcome back to our latest decor ideas YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting topic that will level up your kitchen organization and style. Kitchen shelves. From open shelves to innovative storage ideas, we will explore the best ways to create a functional and beautiful culinary space. So let's dive in and discover the magic of kitchen shelves. First one is open shelving magic. Open shelves are a trendy and practical way to showcase your kitchen essentials. We will explore different materials, arrangements, and styling tips that effortlessly display your cookware, dishes, and decor. Maximizing your kitchen space with minimalist floating shelves. We will discuss how these versatile shelves can add elegance and functionality to your walls while keeping clutter at bay. Don't let those corners go to waste. Discover clever corner shelving ideas that transform often overlooked spaces into organized and accessible storage areas for your kitchen items. Add a touch of sophistication with glass shelves. We will demonstrate how these see-through wonders bring an airy feel to your kitchen while providing a chic display for your glassware and collectibles. Next is rustic wooden shelves. Impress the warmth of natural elements with rustic wooden shelves. Will guide you on how to integrate reclaimed wood or distressed finishes to achieve a cozy and charming ambience in your kitchen. Pegboard shelves are the ultimate organizational champions. Will reveal the endless possibilities of this flexible storage system that keeps your kitchen tools and utensils with easy reach. Upgrade your kitchen with elegant display cabinets that showcase your fine china, decorative items, and beloved kitchen treasures in a tasteful and organized manner. Make the most of every inch in your kitchen with under cabinet shelving. We'll explore creative solutions for storing spices, mugs, cutting boards, and more, all while keeping your countertops clutter free. There you have it, kitchen shelves that combine style and function for your culinary heaven. From open shelves to glass and wooden designs, these ideas will help you optimize your kitchen storage while adding a touch of personality to your space. And if you loved this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please like and share this video because this video contains modern ideas. So subscribe to our channel for more home and kitchen inspiration. Thanks for watching this complete video and happy organizing in your beautiful kitchen. If you have a beautiful kitchen, then it creates a friendly environment in your home. Everyone attracts and your things will be safe and easily approachable. So again, please subscribe this channel latest decor ideas for latest and modern designs. Thank you.